Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your headphones shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your phone have the latest software version. Maybe the problem is the phone. Go to the settings. I have iPhone, Android here. I have in the general software update. If you have Android, you may have it in the system. So, at least on stock Android, you can go to the settings, then system, and right here we have software update. So, check and update if you haven't the latest software version. Now, if the update didn't help you, the next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, we need to turn off and turn on the headphones. At the bottom of your right ear cup, near to USB-C port and the LED light, we have power button. Press and hold power button until you will see the red LED light. We just turn off them, and now we need to turn on them. So press and hold power button again. And your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that the device don't want to reconnect automatically. So go to the settings if you have this problem, then to the Bluetooth or connected devices and tap at your headphones here. Okay, after the soft reset, check is it help you. If it not, we need to perform a factory reset. And firstly, we need to remove them from the phone. So you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove, it depends of the phone, and forget device. Now, if your headphones turn on, your headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, and you know it by the LED light what blinking blue and red. After you enter pairing mode, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up and volume down buttons until the LED light turn off. So let's do this. Here we go. And after that, we should turn on them. But there is a problem. I don't know, is it only for these headphones or for this model, that after that I press and hold the power button and nothing happened. These headphones do not turn on, but the funniest that the mute button works. I don't know why. So, to fix it, you need to connect them to the power. Now you see the red LED light. After that you can remove this cable and now we can turn on them. After that, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically. You see this LED light. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS. Just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, then tap at this button. Now, you will see your headphones at the device list and you need to tap on them. And we just reconnect them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!